Welcome back to Middlefield Custom Sawmill. Today's going to be a little different. I don't know if you heard in my last video, I said something about using up my last 10-degree blade, so it's time to order more blades. And they're expensive, so I figure the sawmill should make money to buy blades instead of pulling it out of my pocket. So today we're going to cut this log into blocking. Blocking is 3.5 by 6 inch. Any length pretty much over 7 or 8 foot. The pallet mills buy it. You know, $8 a board, $10 a board depending on the length. But it doesn't have to be dried, so it's a quick way to get some money from a piece of wood you got laying around. I got a surplus of maples, so we're cutting up a maple today. This is a big log, so I'm going to use a strap to roll it over. So today it's about, I don't know, 63, 64 degrees out here. Broken up clouds. Not a bad day for sawing at all. Alright, I'm going to cap that one. Besides the 3.5 by 6, they also take 1x4s, so I can get 1 or 2 of them out of this. This is really kind of stuff that's much better suited for an LT35 or an LT for one of the hydraulic mills, because you can flip the log so much faster. There's a lot of work on a little manual mill like this. See? All right, strapping it again. I was just trying to lift it up to get the bark out from under it. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to pick it up now. That's all mud. I'm not coming around here with the skidster. Well, that was an adventure. I've got 12 1/8 height-wise, and in this way I'm over 15. I'm at 15 1/2, which should allow me to do 3 1/2 inch, because that would be 14 for 4 of them. So I got plenty of room this way, and the other way I can cut it at 6 inch, because it's 12 1/8, so that's 6 1/8 for the blade. Kind of ashamed to cut this into blocking. Let's throw some water on it. And then I gotta put my jug down. For maple, that's pretty. But I got so much of this. I mean, I literally have a pile of this down by my bridge down around the bend. So this is blocking. All right, so what I was saying before, this way is like 15 1/2. So 3 1/2, 3 1/2 is 7. 14, I can get 4 of them out of that. This way is 12 1/8. So I can do one cut down the middle and have 6 and 6, and then 3 1/2, 3 1/2, 3 1/2, like that. So I turned it off that time because I didn't turn the water off. Because I gotta roll the log again now. Remember in the last video we had that big stressed. See this one? This is hardly any at all. I mean that's a nice flat cut. It didn't hardly bend. So yeah, not bad at all. It is heavy though. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm going to have to take these off at every level. I can't go 2 levels, it'll hit this. So there you got it. 3x8 blocking, or 3.5 by 6 blocking. I took a couple of skinny ones off because there was some rot about 2 inches up, but these are good and solid. Those are good and solid over there. So let's see, what do we get? 2, 4, we got 6 of them. So that's 50, 60 bucks for one log. And then I get, you know, all of this for me. There's some nice spalted stuff there. Those will be pretty boards. And then 3x6 blocking. It's useful, you know, you put it under the logs and things. So, thanks for watching. Hope you had fun. Later. I stayed fairly clean. I can't believe it. No sawdust in my face.